All right, good evening and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Tuesday, August 28, 2024, and we are right here. Sorry, we are on Wednesday, so we are in midweek right there. August 28 right there. It's a Wednesday. And we do have a high impact news, medium to high impact news this week, which is on Thursday and Friday, both the GDP data, and then we have the PCA data, which is pretty much it's like inflation data, the CPI, but it's just a subset of the CPI data right there. All right. By the way, we are on week 35 of this year. So 1 year have 52 weeks. So we're week 35 right now. So let's keep that in perspective right there. So we have option expiration this week for the end of month right there. So we have one more month to go. We close half of that right now. We are quarter one, quarter two, and then we one quarter, 2 quarters. So yeah, we close out quarter three right there, and then quarter four. So September we will close out a quarter three right there. So we already have 2 quarters. Wow. So look like the quarter two, the market move very smooth. And mid of quarter two. Where is right there? Very interesting if we look on the quarter. Wow, here's the monthly, and here's is the quarter. You see that there? The monthly, it can tell you that is a very it could be a very short setup right here. You see that break and test above one and test above twice right there. You see that? So if it's break, let's see how it handle this level. So September, if we mark this high for the monthly, so the high is 55.88. 50i88 monthly, so it's daily week one right there. Yes, that's the level. Very interesting, huh? Yeah, I see. So, yeah, I think we're gonna go for look like we're gonna have a short setup. Right, you see that? It's up close and the dozy and hanging man right there. It failed to break the level. You see that it raised the buy side, and look at this. So look like it's gonna go for this level. Look like it's gonna go and test this level. Definitely gonna go test level. Yeah, 88. The low of this is gonna be 52. Wow, 300. 46.75. Wow. It may go down there. 56.75. Yep, so we can see the level right there. Wow, so beautiful. Yep, that's the quarter right here, and here's the monthly. So the monthly we see is gonna be bearish on the monthly right there. So September can be a sell-off right there. If it come down, it breaks the level, then it can go all the way here. For the quarter, it's also bearish right there, this candle. Yep. What's the close right now? Yeah, below that. So it fell to close above this level. It's likely gonna be a move down. Move down all the way here, or at the late level. All right, so that is good enough for the monthly and quarter. Let's look on the daily, right? Look on the daily and the weekly. You can see a very interesting scenario that may play out for us. Let's move this over here. So we can see that with the high time frame level Monday, you see so beautiful. You see this level is break, all right, and then it retest from below. See that, and then boom, it go all the way here. That's the monthly right there, and we see that it's likely gonna go down. You know why? Because you see that here is called double top bottom. And the reason why this top is lower than this top, because there's a gap, fell gap right there. You see that? So it only fill out a gap and then go down. That's it. There are two kind of double top bottom we can see right there. Similar on the weekly right here, you see the gap right there. So as soon as it fill out a gap, you see that it will move down, it go down, exactly. So today it's just it's moving down. Yeah, let's take sequencing shot. This is the end of the day for today right there. It's so beautiful because saw the pattern right there. Whenever we see the gap, right, gap fill and then reverse. Double top right there. Same right here on the daily time frame. Yeah, we did check right there. Yeah, this is the screenshot we checked earlier. You see that the pattern is the same. You have break, fellow gap, and then go up there, lip gap right there, and boom. It reverse or retracement for that matter. It may go down to this level. Yeah, we will simplify this setup so next time we can share right there. Okay, so go into, for today we are busy. We don't take many trade because in the morning we have something to do. So we only engage in the PM section. And when at first we look, yeah, before we go, oh, it is, what is this? Yeah, let's do this. Oh, okay. So this is the 15 minutes for today. It's sell off, but we weren't engaged to take advantage of this. So basically, you see right here the open right there. You see the open at 18. It did rate, did it? Yeah, it did rate just a little bit rate the buy sideways, and then it's sell off from there. So right here it gives us a pattern right here, right? You have a huge gap, huge range right here for the opening at 18. So it's around that, and then it grab right there. You see the gap right there, and then when it fill out the gap, it's just sell off. You see the candle at 9:30, you put a sell stop right here, you'll be good right there. Okay, so it's basically test one, test two, test twice, and then it break it. It break that level exactly at 10:30. Wow. So basically gap, right? Break out with the gap right there and fill the gap. Then it's going down. Let's see. Okay, let's create the London. London is from 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Okay. And look like the London is very tiny. The range is tiny. Let's give this a different color. Yeah, so you have a London, just a London rate, the previous day high, right? That's previous day high right there. And then it starts sell off right there. So yeah. Oh, what happened? Okay, we got the wrong two. Alright, so right there is the previous day high right there. What the high of this is 56.49.50. 49.50 right there. And it's a previous day high. Yep. So right, it's breaking down. It created a fellow gap right there. Fellow gap, and then it's refill there, and then it come down. I think we have this set up before, but let's take a look. Do we have any screenshot? Alright, here's the last time we have is the fellow gap refill and reverse. See that fellow gap, and it refill and then it reverse. So basically it must make a first leg down, and then it reverse the gap, and then it's create the next leg down. So here we have something similar but slightly different. You do have the gap, and then it did refill them right away. Did I? Yeah, refill them. Refill right away and reverse. So right here, it can consolidate right there. See that consolidation right there, and then boom, it's make the leg down. Let's look at the tape to see how it works. Here's another scenario we have similar, right? It rate, you see the London right there, right? It rate London high. It rate the previous day right there, previous day right here. For first here, it did rate the London high, rate that, but the 930 failed to rate the London high and previous day high. So it's the second leg down right here. But for here, the 930 really pull up and rate one more time, buy side liquidity before it sell off. But for today, it completely sell off from that. It tried, but it fell right there. You see that? So that is the setup we saw before. So basically, photograph, fill, refill, and reverse. So that's the one of the setup we see. So put right here. Check screenshot. So basically, it's gonna be you have a London previous day high right there. So we set it, so it's failure gap, refill, and then it's gonna be reverse right there. I think ICT have the name for this. He calls unicorns. Basically, breaker right here, right? It's breaker, failure gap, and then it retests into the breaker right there. This is a breaker. It break it create failure gap, and this just retest to that breaker, and then boom. It make the necklace down right there. So that's what he calls. Yep. Basically failure gap. The low right here, break the low, create failure gap, and it refill that. And that's the ICT unicorn right there. Let's watch the tape to see what happened at that moment. Alright, here's the 930. Right, 29. Let's see, boom, you see that at the 930 it go up high, right? It looked like gonna break this breaker right there. You see failure gap right there, and breaker, it looked like gonna break, but you're gonna see that it really flipped. You see that? Wow, it really flipped. But if we trade this setup, we have to small enough. Wow. One time, small enough right here to choose a better entry. Otherwise, we get burned about this many times before, especially around this area when it's try to make a neck leg down. So you see that wow, and the level we put it 50. You see that it flipped right there. Wow, you thought that it's gonna be a reverse right there. If we trade, we may have. Look at that! Wow. Boom. Wow, look at that. So the trick is from this candle, 1040, 1030. Don't go too early, you see that? Yes, look for this flip right here. So basically you have a test break and test from below 1, 2, 3. This one's supposed to break it, but it flipped. Yeah, look like break it, right there. It looked like break it. You see that? It break in that moment and then it flipped. 4 minutes into the candle, it start flipping. Yeah, wow. Huge down right there. Yep. Yeah, about one right. We engage right here. Yep. But we missed the whole thing. We don't watch. We're not available on this time frame. So yeah, it's a basic right here. Okay. We have a sell up right there. Okay, let's see the trade we took for today. Yeah, before we go to the trade today, we do see the setup right here. You see that level? You have break, you have retest from below 1, 2, 3, and then reverse. So that is, in this case, we can target right here. Just target at the the high of this candle. We should have a good run right there. If we target right there, then what is, yeah, you have 3R move right there perfectly. 3R, wow. See that? The 3R move right there. Yep, right here, 12 at 14 right there. We are not available at 12:45 to take that trade. We have something to choose. So, I think we mistaken closes. All right, we open again. So you have the setup that we talk all the time. Have break it, and then you have retest, and then you have reverse. How do we work with reverse? Okay, reverse right here. Okay, yeah, reverse. So that's three step setup, right? In this case, we have a test 1, test 2, test 3, 3 times. Boom. See that? That's the beauty right there. Yes, it's a very legitimate setup right here. So you have one break, okay, give her a hard time, and you have test or retest for that matter from below, which is a long setup. In this case, it happened 3 times. That means the reverse is very fast and furious. If we watch in the real time, it's really explosive. And the third step is reverse. So this is a type 1 right there. Type 1 reversal is always the most reliable one, and the reversal move is very explosive. In this case, we have 3R right there, 3R move right there. Beautiful right there. So let's save this one. Yeah, so we just save it. So it's a reversal type 1 right there. Let's review what is the reversal type 1. So let's delete this one. So remember, we have two type of reversal. This is the reversal type 1 right there. So it break out the low right here, key level on a high time frame level, or the previous low right there. It break it and it retests or test from below. You see that? Test from below. The 3 step right there. Test from below. And the test from below can be test many times. We just simplify. We just say test from below right there, and that is reverse. Thus is the long setup. Here the short setup. Just the same. You break it, break the high, and then you test from below. I mean, accusers is take from above, and then it reverse. That is the reversal type 1 right there. And that's, you have a type 2 also. But for this, it's the type 1 right there. You see that? It break, and then it's retest. In this case, it tests 1, 2, 3 times. That is the one we put right there, so 3 times right there. So this one is, and then we reverse. So this one is reversal type 1 right there. Let's add it a little bit. We have to say type. Yeah, we have to say right here. So basically, we have to, right here. So 4 breakout at it's a 4 breakout. It's not real breakout. Remember that, because 4 breakout that create a reversal. Reversal type 1. So type 1 is very common and it's very. Oh, what happened then? We do again. 5588 and as create a reversal. Type 1 right there. What happened? Yeah, so we test from below. In this case, it's a long setup. And it did 3 times. That means the reversal is going to be very explosive. And it is. You see that? It is very explosive. Let's watch in the tape. You can see. You can see it's so explosive. Look. All right. Boom. And now you're going to see 1. All right. In the real time, we didn't draw the level. But you can see that around 5588 right there. See that? One more time, and then boom. This one is start as like a down close, right? But it flip, and you see the explosive right there. Boom. Wow! Look at that. Boom. You see, so this candle is really explosive. The impulse move right there. So that's the setup that we see. So whenever we see a type 1 right here, we simplify right here. Type 1 right there. Whenever we see the test or the retest more than 1 time, then we expect the reversal is gonna be very fast and furious or very explosive right there. All right, let's go see the trade we took today, right? We have a couple more minutes left. So we took the trade, yeah, it's around 1:30 Eastern time. So basically our idea that, okay, is it gonna make a second leg down right here or gonna be reversed? Right here it gives some idea. We play long, right? We play long right here because that's our idea that is it failed to break the low of this candle, so we just aim for what? Yeah, we aim for that, but later on we just move to this target only. Let's see. We stay there. We feel like, wow, we're gonna hit our earth right there, but we know that this is the level that it failed to break. It reversed from this level. It break and it reversed, and right here we just going put a very tight stop loss. We just, for fun right here. Just one contract right there. At one point we thought, wow, it's gonna, yeah, you see that? Almost hit our target, but we just leave it there. Couple time and then boom. Okay, now we move to break even. And look, we say, wow, maybe it will not, you see, maybe it will not hit all the way here, this level. It may, for sure, it hit this level. That's the reason why. You see that? This is the candle ran theory right there. So from this, it never close or never break the middle of this candle. Then logically, it's gonna retest the high of this candle, and it did. It did retest right there. So we move our profit target. You see that? We move. So we get out because we know that that's the key level. It may not hit this level, but for sure the low hanging fruit is gonna hit this level. So we just get out of that trade. Yes, so that's it. You see, if we don't put exactly last target, because right here anything can happen, because it can move that direction or the other direction. And I think we go in and we short because we see the flip right there. This guy is supposed to be another leg up or reversal right there, but it fell. So we aim for the low of this candle. That's the candle ran theory right there. So it's failed to close above the high, then it's gonna test the low of this candle. And look, exactly it happened. Boom. If we are yeah, we just want to test that idea, but if we are experienced enough, we just move to break even right there and we let it run. We have a heel run right there. It's the second leg down. So we go in at 56.05. You see that? Wow. So 56.05, that right here. 56.05. So we go in at 56.05. What's 56? Yeah, 05. So 56.05. And if we let it run, you see the candle, it hit that level and it continues to run. If we let it run to the full course, then we have a huge profit. Yeah, you can see that we have, 26, which is 4R right there. But anyway, you never know, right? That's the whole idea. Yeah, we'll let it run right now. Okay, so that's the trade we take. I think we did take one more trade. Okay, here's the last trade we take for today. So basically, you have a huge reversal right here, and then you have a down close. So the next question is that, all right, you see the candle ran right here. So you see it fell, it tested level. It will test it level again before it's going down, or it's gonna go to the next leg up. Yeah, it looked like gonna make a neck up. That's our idea. We're gonna make the second leg up. So basically, we're going right here. We aim for that high only, right there, the high right there. Yes, so we aim for that only. Just want to see. And boom, it hit. As soon as it hit, it flipped. You see that? See? Wow, it flipped. So we're very good today, I guess. Oh, we're lucky. You see? Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it not hit. It go one more. It go continue. So we just aim right here. But if we aim at that level, it still hit level. Or this level. I mean, magic right there, hit level right there. The candle ran theory that it broke down the level, and then it reversed. It's gonna test it high level again. Anyway, I think that's it for today. Really grateful for your time and for this opportunity. And we do what we love, and success coming our way for sure. day by day, in every way, we're getting better. Thank you. Have a great evening.